Apple's budget-friendly champ is back, but this time it's got a major glow-up. Bigger screen, bold design, and a few surprises up its sleeve. Is the iPhone SE4 the mid-range king we've been waiting for? Let's lift the curtain and find. This is the iPhone SE4 dummy unit, and it's like nothing we've seen in the SE lineup before. Apple seems to be stepping out of its comfort zone with this one. From design to features, there's a lot to unpack. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. The iPhone SE4 has some stiff competition. Brands like Samsung, Google, and OnePlus are bringing their A-game to the mid-range market. With features like 120 Hz displays and 180MP cameras, Apple's task is clear: deliver something exciting without breaking the bank. But here's the twist. Apple has always stood out by focusing on what truly matters to users. Does the SE4 follow that legacy? Let's dig deeper. Say goodbye to the home button, it's official. The iPhone SE4 adopts a sleek, full-screen design reminiscent of the iPhone XR. The flat edges scream iPhone 12 vibes, and this 6.1-inch display is a game-changer for SE fans. My first impressions? The iPhone SE4 feels like the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The lightweight design, the USB-C port, and the potential for Face ID or Touch ID on the side, it's a bold step forward for the SE series. But what blew me away is how premium it feels without the hefty price tag. The iPhone SE4 has the potential to redefine the mid-range market. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. If Apple gets the pricing right, this could be a massive hit. So, what do you think? Will the iPhone SE4 shake up the game, or does it need something extra to stand out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content. See you in the next video.